Hello and welcome back to Madhushri.D channel. Okay, so today we are gonna see coding projects. I already know that you are seeing my page fully, so I know that you know today I am gonna take White Junior coding projects. Okay, so today's class name is Scope. So this today's class name is Scope and this class number is 16. So this is class name is Scope and this is class number is 16. So this is class number 16. Okay, so this is White Hat Junior coding. Okay, let's begin now. Before going to the video, who all didn't subscribe to Madhushri channel for getting more videos. Okay, okay friends, so today's project name is using AI like a trickster. Okay, okay friends, can you say what is the full form of AI? Can you say the full form of AI? So the full form of the AI is artificial intelligence. So this is very important thing. Do you know what is meaning of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means, guys, shall I say you one example for this artificial intelligence? Okay, I will say you. Okay, there is a guy. Okay, there's a guy. He's playing. For example, he's playing a T-Rex game. He's playing a T-Rex game. Okay, he's playing a T-Rex game. Okay. He's sleeping and he's also playing the T-Rex game. So he's so lazy to play that game. He's very lazy to. That game is nothing but you have to press the space button. When you're pressing the space button, the T-Rex will jump when the obstacle will come. Okay. So, but this guy, what is doing? He slept. So he is so lazy to play this game also. So we are making that laptop or computer or which device you are using. We are making that to work on its own. We're giving an instruction for it to do its own, to do by its own. Okay, I'll just say you one more example. Now you're in your home. There is one robot. Okay, so you will say that to like you how you will give the instruction. Now you need to drink water bottle means you're so lazy. For example only. Okay. Uh, for example, you're so lazy and you're not going and taking that water bottle also. Okay, so you must so that much you're lazy. Okay, so you're calling that robot, hey robot, I need a water bottle, bring me. If you said like that means it is gonna bring, no, right? You have to say for that some instructions, then only it will open means open, it will drink me like that. If you set the instructions only it will do. For example, you are saying that water bottle to bring. Okay, so that robot will not bring because you don't know how to do. So you have to give like you have to give instructions to do, like a robot bring that bottle. If you said to bring that bottle means it will bring, but it will not open and it will give you. It will never and ever it will not give you. For that, then it will come, right? Then you have to say open that bottle. Then it will open. Then make me to drink. Then it will make you to drink. So this is very, it will bring the bottle and it will make you to drink. So that is the instructions for which you give. So that will be the instructions. Okay, so next what we have to do means, for like that, like only we have to give instructions for make a space shooter game. Okay, let's make the code and we have to write the code to create a space shooter game, and we have to make it as artificial and intelligence. So that is called in short form AI, in the full form artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's write the code now. So guys, I already wrote a code here. Okay. Okay friends, now let's start it. Okay, let's start from line number 1 to, okay, so everyone know this game state. Who all know, please say me in the comment box. If you don't know means I'll just say you in next video, or when I take this coding video. At that time I'll say you once again. Please say me at the comment box. Okay, so let's begin. Actually, if suppose you don't know about this also, means you can also see in the previous videos, like such as in this like coding videos. You can also go and see in that it will be coming. Okay, so we'll move directly to line number 5. Okay, so create a space. I already I have given it even the like this command also. So that time you can get very easier. You can get very easier. Like initiate game state, create a space. Create a space means they are creating a space. Then create a space 1, space 2, space 3 means they are creating a space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4, space 5, space. So how many is there? Like that they are creating. Then they are creating a score. Then they are setting the font size for the score. Then they are creating a enemy group. Then they are creating a bullets group. Then they are creating a players like that. Creating their spawn bullets like that. If we are giving the command means it will be very easy. So even I'm gonna say, I think everyone can understand these lines because this is very easy, and the first itself in first class or second class they teach about this also. It's very easy, so don't worry guys. You please also listen the classes. Okay, so this is Vita Junior coding projects. Okay, so create a space they're saying. So we are creating a space 1. Creating a space is equals to create sprite 200 220 200 space dot set animation queue space dot y is equals to space dot height by 2 divided by 2. So space dot scale is equals to 2.5. So what we are saying is, first we are creating a space. Then we are giving an animation. First friends, do you know what is meaning of animation and where the animation tab is there? So I'll say you the animation tab is here. So here it is. So here only we will create every animation. So if suppose I just added everything, right, so I'll just click on new animation. If you're clicking on new animation means if you need to upload the image, for example like this, you mean, so it's just showing 100 KB. So I'm not having like such as like that. Okay, so I'll just choose from this itself. So I'm clicking here. If you need to draw your own means like this. Hi, how are you? It's your wish. Suppose you need to add a rectangle like this. You can also add how much big you need. You can circle means circle. Suppose you like this, etc. If you need to add like a GF means you need means GIF means that will be continuously it will be coming. I love that to do. So in one frame also we can choose. So add new frame. Click on that. Then again you to draw means again you can also draw. See like this it will be coming. Just draw like this something you just draw, then make it colorful. The paint box and tool something like this color, then put it something I'm doing. Okay, I'm just taking like this it will be coming. Okay, so and you can also give a name for it as something GIF. I'll just give it as GIF. Then you need to copy like this is if you need this, just click on this. This is a copy. I mean duplicate. Okay, duplicate they are giving, but this is to copy only. So if you're copying this GIF copy, it will be coming, and you can copy so many times. Okay, and this is the speed of that. See now we need very uh smooth, like very slow means it will be coming. Very fast means see they given even an example. So this is tortoise and this is reindeer. So this tortoise will always very slow, but this is it's very fast. So I'm just bringing your see Pachak, 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 pachak. My god, it's really awesome. It's really good. Okay, so I'll just delete this. I don't need. Okay, so you can also create a name. If you need so many things like this, means you I'll just give a background. I'll just give like this. See now, that's it. Okay, so I'll just delete again, and I'll even in this also it will be coming. So if you need background, means click on backgrounds. Okay, if you need characters, means characters. In those characters it will be coming. Look. So cute. So if you need like this, see, one is like this, one is like this. So see, it will run like this only. See, ah, it's very so that okay. So they like this only. We'll also create, and even you can also resize it. So for example, we'll just take a background itself. For example, I'm just taking this sunshine showers. So if you need to resize this, for example, this is a pixel. Okay, I'm just giving it as 5. Okay, I'm just giving it as 500. Let's resize, and it will, when you're facing like this, it will be coming. Okay, then you have to give the same name to there. Okay, so let's move to the code tab. So this is our code tab. So this is over, and space dot y is equals to space dot height is equal by 2. So what they are saying, do you know what is horizontal and vertical? I mean x and y. So x means like this, there will go. Y means straight. X means sleeping line. Y means straight line. Okay. So why we are saying like this? Because y will go down and x will go like this or like this. Y will go like this or like this. Okay. So we need to go the special the game background should become in only y position, right? So we need to give only y position. So space dot height divided by 2y gave. Then space dot scale is equals to 2.5. We are giving the size of the background as 2.5. Next, like that only we created a 5 space we have created. So okay, so next is variable score is equals to 0. First, we have to give the scores value. So it should be 0. See, it's always 0, right? Hmm? 1 minute. Okay. If you need to, for now, what you are giving here, I'll even show you. Mm, like I'll just put here. Okay, variable score is equals to 0 means it will only show 0. For example, I'll just put 100 means you just see it will show here as 100 only. See 100. You can see, right? So I just given as 100. It will be 0 itself. You can give any numbers such as 20 or something what you need. It will just display. Okay, then set the font size. We are just giving a text size at 20. Then we are creating a enemy group and bullet groups. Enemy means this group. Wait a second. This is the enemy groups. Okay, then bullet means when you are clicking. Oh my god. See. So this is the artificial intelligence. See, I didn't do anything. Like I'll just leave it. See. See. What's up? 1, 2. I'm really scared. Like, okay, so this is bullet group. We are just leaving as its own. We have to even make it as lazy. No, I mean we should not be a lazy. When we are being lazy, it will work it automatically. So this is artificial intelligence. And one more example, in some restaurants or like some, for example, I'm just saying restaurants, the glass that window will move automatically. It will close automatically, right? Like that it will. we will play sometimes and we will play sometimes. Okay, when we are boring and we didn't play means just it will itself play. Okay, so next we are creating a player. So this is the player. Player is the important. Please see the decode and understand. See. Oh, suppose I didn't click space button. Means see that will itself blast it, like that bullet will come. See, it's touching and the bullet is coming. Okay, player dot set collider rectangle 005005. So what's this means? Shall we see an example? I know what is set collider. Set collider means we are colliding it. So let's see the example. Okay, please find where it is. For example, I don't know what you will do. Is it in toolbox? It's in toolbox only. In which toolbox it is? See, I'll just show you. I'll also find with you. In this it will not be because it's just colliding, set colliding. So this is only a drawing tool, so it will not be. In this it will be a. Let's see. No. Let's see, guys. Is it there? I think in this also no. Set collide, but this is group. That's I think it will be in Sprites thing only. See, is it there? Collide is there, and this is here. Very good. Okay, let's see the example for this. Okay, so what we are seeing is sprite or set collider. Yeah, it's in the category sprite. Set the collider for a sprite. I'll just give this link in the description. Okay, then examples is saying sprite or set animation. Then let's see. I will just click here. So this is nothing but like we can see that is a debugging. Like how to say, I really don't know for you. How to say means, okay, 1 minute. I just write a statement and I'll show you like this how it is. I'll show you like this itself to our game also. Wait a second. We saw like this, it was like this, right? Even we are also gonna see here also. First you have to just write player. You have to always write it below. Okay, so player dot debug, it is debugging. Debug is equals to true. I think somewhere we have given false, that's why it is not going on. Then semicolon, then you see. Okay, so this is like that only. When this like this, like 1 minute, it is showing, right? If it is showing means and it is showing and the line it is there. I see there is a green color line, right? There is a green color line, right? So that is safety. It is saving that that player. See, when it is touching the enemies will, it will die. The bullet will come. See, be careful and see. Now the enemies are coming. See now when it is touching. See, now you can see, right? See, now it will touch and it will see. Okay, when it is touching, like it will be coming. So like this, but we don't need, so we can also put just a false or we can also erase it. Okay, we'll move on to the main thing called function. Okay, background white color. Create a sprites. Play.collide.h. Okay, so what we are seeing is, first we are seeing that function draw. Inside that we are seeing a background white color. So we are just giving it a sprite color, then create a sprite. We are just creating a sprite edges for sprites. Okay, then player dot collide bottom edge. You can also see the player is also colliding the bottom edge because of that debugging. We can say okay. So next is if game state is equals to play. That's what I saw you to see in previous video. So as I already said this to see in the previous video itself, previous like this coding video, I'll be saying like this how it is working. So if game state is equals to play, if okay, so that if give end of space means then the bullet group will be working, then the bullet sound will be working, then the bullet is moving, I mean sorry, the player is moving in the x direction only, not in y direction. And if 1 minute, okay, now I think now we can say this. Okay, then make this space one to move, then after the uh, 5 bullets of 5, like how many bullets we're giving, then the another space will be coming. If space, that's what we are saying, that means the space one to move. If space dot y is greater than 500, if the pi dot y is equals to greater than 500 means space dot y is equals to space dot height by 2. So what is saying means for the space we are just calling the space, okay, then upgrade the game when the next space should become right. For that we are just giving, like see for example, let's play and show you the game. Now I'm just clicking space button. Oh, zoom. Oi, just get out. See, guys, can you see? This background is like in same color only. Okay. Okay. After 5 score, the bullet color will be changing into red color. Then next animation, like space one animation will change, and the space one dot velocity y is equals to 5, space one dot scale is equals to 2.5. If space one dot y, okay, if space one y, if sorry, if space one dot y greater than 500, space one dot y is equals to space one dot height by 2, space one dot visible is equals to true. So what we are saying is now after the 5 scores, then the next that space one will be visible. Okay, for that, like that only we have made to 5 space. Okay, 5 backgrounds. Next, for variable, this everyone know, this is a for loop condition, this is a for loop statement, everyone know. Please check out previous videos, and this is nothing but this will make a more such as like, for example, I'll just say what we have wrote here about this. What is this all I'll be just saying in the previous video. Checking in that. Okay, first you see this video, then you go to that which I have said. Okay, go to that. Okay, then you can write it, I mean you can also code it very easily. So first, when the enemy group is touching, then the bullet group should be destroyed, even the enemy group should be destroyed. So for that, when the bullet is touching the enemy group means then the score should add plus. Suppose the enemy group is going and touching the bottom edge means, then score is -1. Okay, then enemy group dot is searching player, enemy group dot destroy it. So when the enemy group is touching the player, then the all the enemy groups which is coming, it will everything will be destroyed. Will you see? See, I'll just keep like this. I'm very lazy. I must sleep. I will be seeing classfully because it's not touching. See, oh my god. When that I showed you right in the like I showed you first itself. I showed you right that green color debugging code. So that was when the line is touching, it will blast. Shoo! That bullet will be coming and every enemy will die. Okay. So see, I'm very lazy. Must to click space per chance. See, just more like this. Okay, I'll just be here. Like for example, at here. I'm very bored to click on space button. See, just one time only I click. Now you see. Now you see. I'll just be in center. I didn't do anything. See, it is. Okay. Everything is destroying, right? So then spawn bullets. We are also showing here spawn bullets. Then play sound bullets dot mp3. Play sound. What is play sound? You'll ask. So play sound is nothing but we have to first go to manage assets or libraries, which is there for you. You can also go, but I'll always go to manage assets only. Here I just added bullet sound. See, if you need to upload from file means you can also okay. If you need to record audio, for example, see, I'll just give 1 minute. I'll just give hello. Madhushri, subscribe, voice. Okay. For example, only I just give me. Ayo, this one on. Okay, now I'll just record it. Hi friends, welcome to Madhushri's channel. Please subscribe to Madhushri's channel, like and share. Thank you. Now you see, it will be recorded. Madhushri, subscribe. Voice what MP3. Now you listen. Hi friends, welcome to Madhushri's channel. Please subscribe to Madhushri's channel, like and share. So like this, we are also creating a files. Okay, so that is also showing that file like this is successfully uploaded, like that it is showing, right? And please don't think that I said just it simply. You have to please subscribe, okay, then like and share, okay, please. I'll just you have to motivate me to put more videos, okay. Okay, then now we have finished it till 174. Then create the spawn enemy. Spawn enemy is something but we are creating a group. So we are just calling here. Then draw space. Then draw space is the main thing. Then they set the score. So we are just giving the score as text score. We are just giving the score text as like this. Okay. Then this is the X and Y position. Then function spawn enemy. We are just calling a function spawn enemy equals to this. Then if full.frame count, then 30 is equals to 0. Variable enemy is equals to create sprite 300 0. We are calling an enemy, then variable num is equals to random number. Variable means we can give any number, so any name, so I just give num and enemy. Okay, then random number I just give 1 to 4. Then enemy dot set animation we are giving for that enemies we are just giving an animation, so enemy plus num, so enemy plus random number, so like that we are giving. Then enemy dot y is equals to random number, enemy dot y is equals to random number 10 to 100, and enemy dot x is equals to random number is 50 to 300. That means it should be coming only to here and here to here, like that only. Then enemy dot velocity y is equals to 2. Then enemy's velocity is giving just 2. Then okay, then enemies dot lifetime means it just, at that 200 point only it will just end it. That's it, will not come. Okay, then enemy group dot add enemy. Then we are all adding this enemy, right? So we have just added this enemy in the enemy group. So we're just having a enemy group dot add enemy. Like same thing only for functions spawn bullets. Variable bullet is goes to create sprite 300, 330, 5 and 10. So x, y, u with the height. Then we are just creating a variable name. Then bullet dot set animation bullet one. This is a, so we are just creating an animation for the bullet. Then bullet dot scale is equals to 0.3. We are just giving a bullet size. Okay. Then bullet dot x is equals to player dot x. This bullet is going now. Is there now? It will just follow where the player all is going. For example, see, I'm just pressing this space like here, here. Hmm, like this, okay. Then a bullet dot shape color is equals to red. Then the bullet shape color is red color, right? So then bullet dot velocity y is equals to minus 10. Minus 10 means it will only go up, right? Uh, only 10 means it will only go down. For example, I will just show you. Okay. As you see, I've just pressed it. It's going down. I'll just add it minus. Touch. Okay, see. Now, see. Okay, then bullet dot depth is goes to play dot depth minus 1. So bullet dot depth is goes to play dot depth to minus 1 means it's just giving a depth. Like for example, the bullet is there, right? Bullet, for example, 1 minute. See, bullet or depth means I'll just show you and see. I'll just cut this one and I'll show you. Like when we are 1 minute, I'll just cut it. Okay, then see. Now I'm pressing this place button. Bullet will not come from the this player. It will just come from this purple color. See, because that is we are just we didn't give depth. See, can you see? So. So it's very wrong method. So I'll just put it and see. See now you see it will be correcting in correct position. So this is very correct method because it's we are using very correctly. Okay, then bullet dot lifetime is goes to 200. We just gave a bullet lifetime as only 200. Then bullet group dot add bullet. Bullet should add in the bullet group, right? So for that. So guys, now I think that you have been understand this very clearly. So this is very easy method. Then show blocks. If you need to see in blocks means you are very small kid means you can also see in blocks. But we are not a kids. We are a girl. Then okay, so show blocks. If you need to see in blocks means you can also see in box. Actually this method is also good, but nowadays we have to use only like a text. Then only actually for code or we only use the text method, but the kids don't know how to use this, right? So for them only we are just giving a blocks method. Then if you need version history means so you need to see the history means also you can also see the history. Then you need to rename means you can also the rename. Then you can also share it. Then you can also remix it. It will just create. Okay, and it will just like how we are copying it will just do like that. I'll just give it a same. Okay, I'll just erase this and I'll just give it a save. Okay, so we just came to the end of the video. Okay, so I'll just show you this sprite, so that's sprite.setCollider. Like this I'll just take a link or about the sprite.setCollider. I'll just give in the description box, and I'll just give this games so link. Okay, then you can also see this code once again, and you can also play this game once again. Okay, then this is my White Hat Junior. Okay, so this is the White Hat Junior coding project. If you like this video, then like. If you want to share this video means then share it. And if you need to subscribe and I need to subscribe, like I want me to, you want to subscribe for me more, and you have to share more. Please subscribe for me, like and share, and don't forget to click that bell icon because you need to get notifications when I'm putting in the next video. So thank you, saying we'll see you in next video. Tata, see you, bye.